Hi guys, today I have an invitation. We are going to start a new course of Marine Advanced Electricity. This is a course of 4 weeks. In that course we are going to cover all the topics related with AC current. In that course we are going to follow the Marine Electricity Handbook. In that handbook we are going to cover all the topics related with AC current. We are going to learn the procedure to wire an AC panel, the procedure to install the ammeter, the voltmeter, the frequency meter. We are going to learn about the marine generators, about the inverters, about the wiring of pedestals. We are going to learn about transformers, and we are going to learn the procedure to install the transfer switch, manual transfer switch, automatic transfer switch. We are going to learn about the solar systems, the configuration of the solar panels, and the calculation of the solar panel. This is a great course. It's a complete course. We are going to follow this book. It's simple. You enter in my website www.mrlopezclasses.com. You select the option courses, and as soon as you register, you will receive the invitation to the course in your email. You will receive the book in a PDF form. You will receive the syllabus roadmap. In the syllabus roadmap, that one, you have my recommendation week per week to follow the videos, the quizzes, and the laboratories. Okay, this is completely online. It's completely online. You can do the course completely online. If you are in South Florida, close to Fort Lauderdale, you can assist to the laboratory that I have each Wednesday and Thursday. Those laboratories. In those laboratories, we are going to review the theory corresponding to the previous week, and we are going to apply in the laboratory. In that course, we are going to do a big laboratory. We are going to do the panel completely, the AC panel, the wiring of the AC panel with a generator, with inverter, with a short power connection, and we are going to install the breakers and a couple of loads, typical loads, lights, battery chargers, etc. This is a great course. If you are interested, enter in my website and register. If you want a discount to register in that course, you need to basically be a member of my YouTube channel. Join my YouTube channel, and you have a great discount for that course. You are invited. The course starts on March 10, Thursday, March 10, and we'll be finishing in the first week of April. It's basically 4 weeks. Also, in this course, we are going to prepare the people to take the ABYC electrical certification. Yes, we are going to solve it, sample questions, and we are going to check the ABYC electrical study guide page by page. At the end of this course, you are ready to take the electrical ABYC certification. Okay, this is the moment. Enter in my website and register for the course of Advanced Electricity, that course, correct. If you want to take the course in a different time, more weeks, it's not a problem, because the course is completely online and depend of your time to see the videos. You are welcome.